Mr. Ranzot again, the producer. Let's talk about the basic PLC system functional block diagram. First of all, let's start from this power supply section, or where there is a 120 to 220 voltage alternating current power supply. Let's see, it's a main AC power. This is the source of electrical power to the PLC. This is the place to isolate the PLC from the power source. Emergency stop circuits should interrupt this power source. Let's go to power supply section. Power supply converts alternating current power to direct current and regulates it to precise levels required by the PLC. This is called signal conditioning in mechatronics block diagram. Let's go to another one, block diagram, which is the one of a PLC processor. It says the brains of the system and receives input information from operator station and field devices or switches, sensors, and such things like that. Programs are executed based on that input information and controls outputs on output cards. Let's go to another block diagram, the one of a PLC processor communication port. It says provides communication for programming and operator touch screens. Let's go to another one, which is PLC inputs. A PLC input module detects the contact state of a field device. Example, a limit switch, sensors. Another one can be push buttons that are connected to an input terminal that is associated with a program input address and sends that information to the PLC. Another one is operator station. It says it sends operator requested actions to the PLC 0 and 1's binary information. Most newer operator interfaces are touch screens and are connected to PLC communication port. Another block diagram is the one of position sensors, or this one. Yeah, the one of position sensors. It says that it provides the position information of actuators or material to the PLC program. Let's go to another block diagram of output module. It says that the PLC processor controls the output card outputs associated with program outputs. Example, when program output coil 0 is true, the output card terminals 0 is turned on. Let's go to another section of VFD, or a variable frequency driver or drive. It says that is a controller that converts 60 or 50 hertz power to variable frequency, usually from 0 to 400 hertz. This allows alternating current motors speeds to be controlled. Another one is a electrical solenoid valve. It says that it is a small electrical control valve that typically uses compressed air or hydraulic compressed for hydraulic fluid to control actuators. Another one is a one of motor starter. It says that is the PLC output controls a small relay which controls large or small motors. So this basic PLC system functional block is very important to be remembered or to be memorized, as it plays a very important part when troubleshooting a hardware, especially these automation hardwares. Thank you.